Jennifer Germaine, Managing Attorney at Germaine Law Firm. Today's Building Up Benefits video is discussing a strategy for communications in your benefit fund. Why am I talking to you about this? Participants do not understand the great value that they have in benefit funds, and your benefit fund really needs to determine a way to deal with that. A lot of times, only legally required notices are going out to participants, such as your summary plan description or annual notices. It's just not enough. There's too much confusion about what grade of a benefit it is or where to get the access to information that your participants need to move themselves forward and get the most bang for their buck out of your fund. To implement such a strategy, there's 4 key steps. The first is to get feedback from all the stakeholders involved with your fund. Second is to set goals that you can achieve for that strategy. Third is to implement the strategy. And fourth is to monitor and refine that strategy. So let's go back up to 1, the stakeholders. What I'm talking about here is having the communications with all the parties involved with your benefit fund to determine where more education can go out about the benefits, or what are those pain points or weaknesses that you're hearing a lot from the membership that can be solved in your communication strategy. Talk to your union, contractors, the board of trustees, service providers serving the fund, as well, and most importantly, the membership and participants. You can do surveys out to your membership or participants, or talk to them at union meetings, or even try to have meetings just around your benefit fund to determine what these pain points may be for your membership. Once you've determined a list of benefits that maybe need educating or these pain points, you can start to determine the goals that you want for your strategic communication strategy. Goals. Let's only shoot for 3 goals that you're going to try to achieve. Like I said, these can be benefits that you want to communicate better, or they can also be weak points, such as who do I communicate about my medical claims or HRA reimbursement? Do I have an employee assistance program? Who do I call for that? Most people don't know, and they get really confused about what the next steps may be. So that may just be a goal for your fund, is to try to get rid of those weak points. Once you determine 3 goals, you need to start to implement those goals, and that's the next step. I'll have another video just talking about all the different resources you may use to get the message out for communications. Fourth is to monitor and refine that communication strategy. Once you put it out to the membership, you may want to follow up with a survey to see how effective it has been. Are people reading it? Are they not? Are they still confused? Was it too complicated? Get the feedback from all the stakeholders that you looked at with number 1 and determine how you need to refine your communication strategy to make it even better. If you keep doing these 4 different items, you will see growth in the education for your membership around your benefit fund, which makes for a better benefit fund for your industry. If you have any questions about how to get this started, feel free to give me a call.